Sometimes, look, the Wi-Fi is shut, and sometimes scammers fuck their own pussy. So the time is somewhere around 9:12. Huh? I went out to today. The Wi-Fi is shut. Hmm? So you know what happened? Last night I dropped in WhatsApp, in my own WhatsApp. So the Wi-Fi was gone. I was dropping the images of my own, the emails and all that stuff, screenshot on my own number, of Giardino, the complaints which were made. So today what happens? Entire day they did the GPS spoof when I went out, and at below the building, who I saw, the Manish, who was beside the Giardino A. He was a guard there. Hmm? So that means some Giardino fellow was must have sent him to plant the phone location, right? So everyone could film that the phone is right here, because someone from Giardino must have bought the content. Fake bank account, that bank transaction and all this shit. So they have to plant that phone location. And when I come upstairs in the staircase, I pressed on the 5 button, for the lift. And what happened, I was in my cellular, I was watching. And the moment the lift stopped, I got out. And someone put in the 4th floor. Press the button of the 4th floor, right? Down what happened? GPS spoof was happening, right? And I was like, ये कौन सा floor है? So from 4th floor till 5th floor, I came from staircase. Their own GPS spoof got fucked. Their own GPS spoof got fucked. Getting this, but their own GPS spoof is getting fucked because of this. I got out of the lift, watching my cellular, and I see in front of me the door is not mine. In truth, it was very scary. So I took the stairs and I came upstairs on 5th. But if no one wants to come downstairs, who press on that button? No one wants to use the lift, who press that button? Who does this? If no one wants to enter, who does this? So anyways, so GPS spoofer. So Giardino fellow, last night I messaged myself the images of Giardino, and a Giardino guard comes here. ये देखा बहन चोद, गार्ड लोग फिल्म स्टार्स को चोदते रह गए अभी, समझे? गार्ड लोग जो कास्टिंग है, चेयरमैन और सेक्रेटरी को ही चाहिए था ना डाटा, चेयरमैन को चाहिए था ना Giardino का, बराबर? कासाबेला में रहता है ना वो, है ना? उसको ही चाहिए था ना. बराबर? What happened? They fucked their own GPS spoof. I got out at 4, came out and took the stairs. उनकी खुद की माँ चूत गई. Do the GPS spoof from 4th floor till 5th floor. When I started this, it was 9:14. No, 9:12. I give the time, and now it's 9:17. The picture which I took I was on my moped. That was somewhere around 9:05. 9:05 or something. Yeah. I don't fuck her.